After watching this video, you should be able to make yourself the best ice cream ever. Hi my food lovers, welcome back to another video. Today we are making some creamy yummy ice cream. Let's get into it. Into a bowl, you want to go in with some milk, and then into the same bowl, go in with your whipped cream powder. If you have whipped cream, you can go ahead and use that together with your milk only. Yes, without it, you can just do as you see right here. Mix everything with your electric mixer, or you just go ahead and use your hand mixer to whisk this until it becomes thick and smooth, just as you see on your screens. Something like this. It shouldn't be too thick, it should just be like this. Achieve something like this and you're good to go. So for our sweetener, we'll be going in with condensed milk. Yes, anytime I use condensed milk for ice cream, a lot of you ask me, why are you not adding sugar? That is because condensed milk contains a lot of sugar. So there is no reason for me to add extra sugar to this. And condensed milk, why I normally use that is because it adds some more milky feel to your ice cream. It makes your ice cream stand out and it tastes better. So mix everything together and then go in with your flavor of choice. Okay, you can add coconut flavor, strawberry flavor, vanilla flavor, anyone you prefer. Go ahead and use that, and I am using vanilla flavor in this video. Your hand mixer again, you just want to use your spatula to mix this, and you should achieve this consistency. This is what we are going for, not too thick, not too light. It's just the perfect consistency we want. So go in with some broken biscuits or cookies. You can use Oreo or any biscuit of your choice, your favorite biscuit. Add that. So you do not break it into pieces. It shouldn't be too big, else it will not penetrate, or it will not go through the funnel we'll be using to fill our popsicle rubbers. So something like this is perfect. Before you fill your popsicle rubber, just put in some pieces of the biscuit again, and now you pour your cream like this, okay, your ice cream like this, and we are going to seal it. If you want some of this popsicle rubber, reach out to Home Besties on TikTok and Instagram, and they are going to serve you right. And yeah, so fill it up don't fill it too much, just a little below the seal, and you should close this nicely like this, just like this. And we should have something like this. Now you transfer this into the freezer for a few hours, and your ice cream should be ready to be served or enjoyed. I hope that you love this video. If you love videos like this, then this channel is definitely your best channel to be on. Check my sweet playlist for all the ice cream recipes you have. When it comes to ice cream, I give you the best recipes. And thank you so much for always stopping by. Do not forget to subscribe, like this video, click on the bell notification icon so you get notified when next we upload a new video. So now look at this beauty. It's creamy, it tastes so well, the ice cream still feel crunchy in there, and that is what we want to go in for. I will see you on the next one. Until then, please stay safe and bye.